Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper. And if you are like me, you are not prepared with your hand sanitizer. I was actually out traveling when this whole thing hit and missed everything at all of the um, stores. So when I came back, the shelves were completely empty. But fortunately, I had a few things in my cabinet that I'm going to be able to make some of my own hand sanitizer. So I wanted to pass this along to you. I have aloe vera gel because we live in Phoenix. You never know who's going to get sunburnt. So 100% aloe vera gel and some isopropyl alcohol, which is at 91%. And that is a very good percentage to have. Anything above 70 is going to be good for making your own hand sanitizer. And then I happen to have a sweet orange essential oil blend that I just got at Walmart. And it's just been sitting in my closet along with all of my other essential oils. So I thought sweet orange would smell pretty nice. Also, one of you beauties had sent me a bunch of these jars to DIY, and I thought it would be perfect. So we have this all cleaned out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just a little piece of a sponge here and my alcohol, and I'm just going to put a little bit on there. So if you have any carrier that you want, like any kind of jar, and if it has something on there, a sticker or something, all you're going to do is put a little bit of that alcohol on there, and then it's just going to sit for a minute there. But then all you have to do is take your nail, and look at this. It's going to come off really well. And the longer I sit it there, the more it's going to come off. So now I have a nice black cap with nothing written on it. So it was that easy to make my little carrier here. I love this because it just pops open. You can shake a little bit of hand sanitizer on your hand and you can go with that. I also have these little spritzers. This one is my crafting spritzer from Stampin' Up. But I could fill one of those too and then spritz myself. There's just water in here. But spritz myself with the hand sanitizer. So those are good. Is that my days of dealing blackjack, even though I never have dealt blackjack? All right, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take this bottle, and what you're going to do is you're going to take your aloe vera and you're going to put that in there. And what you're basically going for is a 2/3 to 1/3 ratio. So we're going to go 1/3 on the aloe vera gel. There we go. And then, and what I'm just going to go like that to see where that's at. So I have it right about there. And I'm going to go 2/3 with the alcohol. Oh, spilling it all over. Okay, there we go. And then we've got 2/3 of the alcohol going on there. And then I'm going to take my essential oil and I'll just put about 4 drops in there because I want to really get that smell through there. And then, okay, I was going to put this straight on, but what I'm going to do, because I'm going to be shaking it, is I just have this little plastic piece from the Dollar Tree. It was wrapping from the egg carton that I used previously, but I'm going to use that, and that's going to hold any liquid because I don't know how well this little lid is. But then you're just going to take your jar and shake it up and just continue shaking it, and you're going to get a nice, I don't know if you could see it, but it's all mixed in there. And so now we can label that as hand sanitizer. Just a label or a Sharpie marker, something like that, right across. And yeah, I'm glad I did that because that's up. So what I'll do is I'll transfer this into another bottle because this is not airtight and the alcohol will evaporate. But now look at that. I got my hand sanitizer and it's ready to go. It's worked all in there and it smells. Well, I could still smell the alcohol, so I could maybe afford to put another couple drops, but it did have a nice orange smell until I put it up to my face. But that's it, you guys. So that's the only ingredients. You could get away with just these 2 ingredients here. And then if you wanted to add your essential oil, you can do that. So just remember, 1/3 and 2/3. That's it. So easy. All right, if you like that, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more DIYs of various kinds. All right, beauties, you have a wonderful day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.